Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2022 Ford F-350. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a look at this rugged Ford F-350, the heavy-duty truck that's built to tackle the big jobs and make it look easy. Extraordinary performance and capability are yours in this exceptional workhorse. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, front massage seats, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, navigation system, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, keyless start. Feel a new sense of confidence when you're at the wheel of this powerful F-350. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.